Welcome back to the channel and welcome to week 3 of the Daniel fast. I hope you're feeling well. I hope you're strong. I hope your reading the word is getting stronger. Your prayer life is getting stronger as we move through our last week of the Daniel fast. So today I am bringing you some great new recipes. I'm bringing you some good suggestions. So be sure to check the description box down below because there's all kinds of goodies for you. For breakfast, I have a new one, overnight oats. I am loving overnight oats. It is something so easy. You can just make them really quickly, make them in a batch, put them in the refrigerator, and I'm good to go. I just grab one on the way out of the door every week. And they're customizable. So you can have a banana and walnut one. You can have a peanut butter and jelly one, whichever one you'd like to have. But please put that in your repertoire. Of course, I have the tofu scramble in there because I make one every week. And last week I was having that for breakfast on top of some corn tortillas, and it was really good, even with some salsa. Lots of options you have there. For lunch, I have the loaded salad listed. My loaded salads have some of everything in there. My friend Rebecca used to make them for me, and I absolutely love them. I think hers had like 27 ingredients, but I did learn to put more than just a spring mix. There's lettuce on my salads. So you have a host of all kinds of vegetables, and then you have a host of all kinds of nuts, a host of all kinds of beans and seeds and olives and all kinds of things that you can put on the salad and then top it with a really great dressing or eat it without one. That's fine too. I also have a couple new dinner recipes in there as well. I have some Hasselback potatoes, which I absolutely love. Just slice them real thin, season every layer of that thing, and pop it in the oven. I have a jackfruit stew, which is perfect for this time of year. It's warm, it's thick, it's hearty. I think you're really going to love it. And then I also have a Swedish meatball recipe, which I have Tasty linked to that one. So that is my favorite one. I've been eating that one for years. Certainly you can customize it to make or not eat certain things, but overall it's a really great recipe that I'm sure you can work it out for this particular week. So down there, you're going to find not only recipes, you're going to find links to some of my videos, links to other people's videos, links to websites. I support everyone. So I hope you find something you enjoy. I hope you find something you like. And as I always tell people, make the recipe yours. If you're missing an ingredient, as long as it's not a key ingredient, just put something else in there. Put a different vegetable, put a different herb, put a different spice, swap out a bean, whatever it is. I want you to learn how to make nutritious and delicious plant-based food. So I hope you enjoy everything. Again, check that link below. Have a great week. Enjoy this last week of Daniel fast. Continue to pray, continue to read your word, and I will see you in the next video. Stay blessed.